What's up guys, it's Kelly and today I am going to show you the absolute easiest way to do a French manicure. I feel like this is one of the most classic looks you could do on your nail, but it's pretty daunting for people to do, and before I ever did it, I was scared to do it because I felt like, my gosh, do I have to draw like a really straight line? That is terrifying. But you don't, and you don't need any special tools, you don't need any guides, you don't need any tape, you don't even need base coat for this look, so let me show you how it's done. So I am going to use a white nail polish as well as a gel-like top coat. You want it to be gel-like because you want it to be thicker, so you can tell when I'm moving it around it's not like watery, it's pretty gel-like. Also, just a side note, if a polish is marketed as gel-like, it does not mean you need a UV or LED lamp, it just means it is thick. I'm also going to be using a little brush as well as some pure acetone. So literally just all stuff that you probably have at home if you've ever done your nails before. So I'm just going to take my natural nail, I'm not even applying base coat, and I am just going to draw one big ol' sloppy line across the bottom of my nail. And now I'm going to take that acetone and that little brush, which I got for $1 by the way at Target, I'll link it down below, and I'm going to start to clean up around my nail. So first, I always like to tap it onto my skin just to like get rid of any of like excess wetness. That's just my own weird little trick, you totally don't have to do that. But then once I've got my skin cleared off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to actually like erase the line until it is straight and it's like got a nice little curve to it, like at the French manicure little curve. This doesn't take too long. Honestly, it seems a little daunting, like you have to have some amount of skill, but it's honestly just erasing. It's so easy. It takes no skill. It takes no practice. You can do this in your sleep. Well, you probably can't because you'd be sleeping, but you can really easily do this, and you can determine how thin you want that line to be, if you want it to be really thin, if you want it to be really curved, if you want it to be really thick. I like them obviously a little bit thicker and with just a slight little curve. So once you are done with that, literally all you have to do is just apply your gel-like top coat. And this is why I always say use a gel-like top coat, because you want it to be thick enough to feel like a full manicure on your nails, even though you don't have like a layer of base coat, 2 layers of color, and then a layer of top coat. You just literally have the 1 layer of color. But if you're using a gel-like top coat, then it's going to feel thick enough that it actually feels like a full decent manicure on your nails. And that is it. That is my easy trick for how to do a French manicure. This is what I wear to pretty much every wedding that I go to. This is what I'm going to wear to my own wedding because there's nothing better than a classic French manicure. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!